Okay folks, today we have a 2019 Honda Civic Sport. This vehicle is just in, certified pre-owned, lunar silver metallic. This vehicle only has 3,000 miles on it, folks. It's like brand new. Let's take a closer look at some of the interior features. Okay folks, let's take a look at the trunk space in the back of this Civic. You'll notice it's incredibly roomy in the back here. You're also gonna have a backup camera on this vehicle as well. And you also have the center exhaust in the back too, because it is the Sport model. Moving to the back seat area, you have the nice black cloth interior with the leather trim, extremely nice and elegant. Moving to the front of the vehicle, lots of legroom and headroom back here. Because it is the Sport model, it does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You're also gonna have USB ports and cruise control, along with volume controls on the steering wheel. Okay everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2019 Honda Civic Sport. This vehicle is like new, folks, only 3,000 miles on it, and it is certified, so it comes with even more added protection and warranty with it. And it being the Sport model, has some very, very sharp wheels, and you also have the nice lunar silver metallic paint job on it. Come check it out today, awesome vehicle, and come see me, Tristan, when you do. Thank you folks, have a great day.